Welcome to this important video. In this video, we are going to discuss an important mode of file operation, which is also called Python file handling. And in this mode, we will observe the append mode of the file operation or file handling. In case of append mode, what happens each time when we execute the append mode, then it will write the text at the end and it will not delete the previous text. So this is the way how the append mode exists or append mode works. So if the file does not exist, then it will also create a new file. But in case of append mode, it will always add the text at the end of the previous file. So let me perform this code on our Python software. What we will do, we will open a Python software called PyCharm, and here we can use uh, f open this file, and in this mode for append mode we will use a here. This is the way to open the file, or we can also even open is as with open. This is another keyword to open the file, and what will we do, we will open this file as append mode. So we will put colon at the end when we are going to open it using with mode. So now what will we do, we will use here append keyword and f dot write again, and as soon as we write again, but here in case of append mode it will uh, append the file, it will not delete the previous text. What we can see, already some text has been written in our message file here, 1 2 3 abcdef, and we will write here welcome to the knowledge for skill channel. So as soon as we run this code, you can see here this program has been executed, and when we see these lines open the file, then you can see here the text has been added, but it has been added at the end, and previous text has been not deleted. Whereas in case of, if I use here again to revise the previous topic, if I use just here the write mode W, then what will it do? It will delete all the previous text. Now I'm going to run this code, and you can see here previous text has been deleted all. And this is the main difference between write mode and append mode. In case of write mode, the new text is written each time when we execute the program, and the previous text is deleted. But in case of append mode, the lines are written at the end. Okay, in this way you can see here as well. Now we will again write this code, and I'm going to here, you will see quality videos. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I have opened a file as append mode. As you can see here, this a shows the append mode. Now I will run this code. As soon as I run this code and I see the program, you can see here now the new text has been added at the end of previous text. This is how does the append mode work. This was very simple and short and easy. Hopefully it is clear to you. Thank you so much. That was all for this lecture. We are waiting for your valuable feedback which you can give at the end. Thank you.